Hey guys, this message is for you. If you have any questions and you want to ask them, please send an email to jasmine@drbatisi.com and we will be having a face to face through video discussion about your questions. And it would be preferred if you could list down your questions in the email and briefly share about yourself, like where are you from, what's your age, where do you study, what's your college, etc. Hope to see you again.
I completed my BDS and I was doing my COVID duties right now.
Okay, which batch of BDS you are?
I have completed my 2014 batch.
Okay,
I was graduated last year. Soon after completion, I have straight I have joined COVID duties. I was
right,
doing in the
awesome.
wards. Yeah,
Okay,
yeah. And this is the ninth month, I think. Yeah,
okay, which state?
Andhra Pradesh.
Okay,
Andhra Pradesh. Yeah.
awesome. How is COVID there?
No, that's it.
Okay,
It's being. The cases were. There is a lot of surge here. The cases were increasing day by day. Yeah. And moreover, recently they have put up curfew. They were allowing only half the day, only 6 hours from 6 p.m. to 12 p.m. I guess, and
right,
later after 12 p.m. it is curfew. Yeah, so that
right.
we need to expecting the cases number will be lowered because of the curfew at least. We personally also we were emotionally broken that.
So now the situation is better regarding the
Yeah,
infrastructure.
it's okay now.
So how was your experience? Do they have BDS COVID duties more? Do they have the vacancies in Andhra Pradesh?
Yeah, they were recruiting because MBBS people are not giving some interest. Only
Yeah,
BDS people are coming forward to the duties.
yeah,
And moreover, initially they asked only MBBS people to come and join,
right,
and later they have called BDS people. If at all we
exactly.
are interested,
Yes,
yeah.
yes.
And comparatively, the ratio also in our hospital, I'm speaking personally, we have only two of MBBS students, and remaining all are of BDS and BAMS, BHMS, and all.
Yes,
Yeah.
in Delhi also
Uh,
when there was a vacancy, I shared the details on the story.
yeah.
I got to know a lot of BDS. I sent and forward the details. In fact, the in that hospital, mostly the COVID duties is run by the dental department. I was so happy regarding that.
Yeah, and moreover, apart from the duties, many people call me and ask me what to do the precautions. Not only dental people, I'm saying normally, and they ask me what to do, what are the precautions we need to take, and I will be telling them. It's just like teleconsultation, not exactly, but it
Yeah.
is. Right,
So
yeah.
could you please brief us with what exactly do you do when you just go? You are doing a 8 hour duty or 12 hour duty?
Actually, 8 hour duty,
Eight
like six
hour
to eight
duty.
hours, it depends. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So could you please brief us with what exactly you do when you just enter the hospital, you wear the whole PPE kit, and then what are your duties?
Yeah. And actually, when I enter the hospital, I will be wearing my PP and all. And initially, I would like to know the patients who are all the saturations are below 90 and all. We'll take a brief note about the case sheet and all. What are all the we will monitor every 2 hours for
Right.
the patients who are serious. Yeah, and we will be noting the SpO2 and all. I mean, like the saturation, how the saturation is it developing or is it deteriorating? If at all it is deteriorating, we will be referring them to higher centers.
Yes.
We need to call the ambulance and all. It will like in the 6 hours duty, it will be like non-stop.
Right.
One person will be deteriorating and the other person will be recovering. Hurry burry, it will be taking like that only. Yeah, and initially we will take rounds. And the staff nurse will come along with us,
Yeah,
and they will be
exactly.
checking the BP, SpO2, and temperature for each and every patient, pulse rate, and all. We'll
Yes.
note down the vitals, and for every patient, we will ask them what are the complaints.
Right.
They will be telling some complaints, right? We'll be
Yeah.
asking them whether they were suppressed or not, or any new complaints were there. So depending on their complaints, we'll be adding on the medicines and all. Yeah,
Right.
that's what we will be doing every day.
Yeah, in dental department also in the hospital I'm talking about. So my friends used to say they are working there. My friends used to say that they are doing a 12-hour duty. So most of
Yeah,
them wear the PPE kit, have their own wards and their own the ward they have to take care of. Each has a different ward, and when they do the duty, one rounds are over, and then they move out. And in between, the patients are served with various meals throughout the day, and the doctor then changes the PP kit again if he or she went outside, and then comes again and wears the PP
Yeah,
kit again, and this whole process happens again and again. So
yeah.
hats
In
off.
between the duties, in between the duties also we'll be getting many calls like from the attenders or from other people. How were they and
Exactly.
all. It will be like I'm not insulting you or not. I mean, like in between the duties, we could not answer the phone, but we need to
Exactly.
answer. It will
Yeah,
be
yeah.
somewhat difficult for us to
Right.
attend both at the same time. Yeah,
Right. But
according
that's
to their
okay.
perspective, it is correct, but it will be difficult sometimes, not all the time.
Of course. And one this was the first notice which came in 2020, and I was like, I have to go. But till then, it wasn't for the BDS. Then later, it came for BDS, and now when I got the opportunity, I was down with COVID. Then I recovered. Till that time, I was recruiting all the other BDS to the hospital, and now it's like they don't need it for now, and if the bed sizes are increased, only then I can go. And of course the distances also, because Delhi has a lockdown, so it would be really difficult for me to travel unless and until there is an accommodation. You guys have an accommodation?
No, I was staying in the home. No, they don't
Okay.
provide any accommodation. Yeah,
Yeah, it's difficult for them to do so.
for them also. Yeah,
Yeah, it's been 9 months, right? So how do you feel
yeah,
exactly? Like, it's hectic. It's of course hectic for sure. It's challenging.
yeah.
So
Recent times it's more hectic.
yeah,
Previously, in the first wave, it is not that much hectic, and the patients were also recovering so fast, and the body was also cooperating to the medicines which were giving. Like
right.
the ratio of the patients which were sent to the higher centers is also increases drastically. It is increased now.
Yeah.
Initially, the patients were having the fear of COVID, and they were aware of COVID and all, and they used to take it seriously. And now
Yeah.
what's happened? All were neglecting. I mean, like unknowingly only, they were
Yeah.
neglecting wearing masks and all, sanitizing and all. I mean, like, they were fed up. They were fed up
Yeah.
using all this,
Exactly.
and it took the chance. The COVID took the chance. It is attacking each and everyone.
What were you doing before you joined the COVID duty?
Yeah, before joining the COVID duty, I used to go to the clinic and do some routine root canal procedures and extractions if patient required them. Yeah, it was fine. Then. Before COVID
Right.
duties, I used to go to the clinic in the evenings and chill in the morning and all. Yeah, in the house.
Right. And after the COVID duty, what are your plans?
My plan is to complete my MDS and set up a clinic in my hometown. Yeah,
Okay. So you gave MDS this year, which happened,
yeah,
whose
yeah.
counseling is
I
being
have given
waited.
my
Yeah.
date. Yeah,
And I think this video will be going on YouTube. So I really want to know one question, which I am quite sure most of them will be asking, is that in the COVID duties of a BDS,
yeah.
I think there is a
Okay.
fixed amount that the BDS will be getting from the government.
Yeah.
So it is
Like
what
it varies from district to district, I think. So it's not the
exactly,
same all the
exactly.
place.
Right. That is what I want
Yeah,
to know. So in Andhra Pradesh, it's how much approx?
yeah. I mean, like for a month, they're allowing us. They are paying us 70,000 for some
Right,
people. I mean, like in Andhra Pradesh only, it is being varied. Like
right.
district to district, some other districts they are paying 55,000, something
Yeah,
like that. Some districts they are paying 70,000 like that. Yeah,
right. So in Delhi, it was a notice of 2,000, like for 2 to 4,000 ranging. So that is just I wanted to confirm because it varies. Definitely, it varies.
I mean, like many of them are doing. Many of them are doing more than me. I am not more than them. Yeah,
We just have to do our best. It's
yes, I'm giving
okay.
my duties. That's it. Yeah,
And the best part is we tend to, when we do a COVID duty, we tend to learn a lot about the D-dimer test,
yeah,
various tests, and how the medications work actually, because we are never, so focusedly study these medications and tests in our BDS. So I think that's
yeah,
one of the really good thing about this. So
yeah.
yeah, just any symptoms or anything you notice as a side effect of COVID regarding the oral manifestations or the oral symptoms in the COVID patients, you noticed anything?
No, as of now here I didn't notice any of them, but I have studied an article. I have seen them.
Thank you so much. So
Thank you very much.
take care. Wish you all the very best.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.